Good morning, children. Today we will learn an interesting rhyme. So that says about the birthday, how we enjoy on birthday, and how we get the blessings from the guests, and all these things we learn from this rhyme. So first, you listen to the rhyme and try to understand the rhyme. And you listen carefully and learn it. So after that, I will give you the wordings of the rhyme and I will give you the reading practice of the rhyme. Okay, children, listen carefully.
Poem in groups. A birthday means a moment to share. A birthday means a moment to care. For a birthday is a special day that comes just once in a year's way. For a birthday is a day of joy. With family and friends you do enjoy. And you learn to count the blessings it has brought. And all life's lessons you were taught. And today, dear, it is your birthday too. So that is why I'm wishing for you brilliant thoughts with you to share on your very special day, because I care, I care. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, dear.
Okay, children, I hope you have listened to the poem. So now I read once again this poem for you. A birthday means a moment to share. A birthday means a moment to care. For a birthday is a special day that comes just once in a year's way. For a birthday is a day of joy. With family and friends you do enjoy. And you learn to count the blessings it has brought. And all life's lessons you were taught. And today, dear, it is your birthday too. So that is why I am wishing for you brilliant thoughts with you to share on your very special day, because I care, I care. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, dear. Okay, children? So once again you practice at home. Now we'll move to the another topic. So here you have given question answers. So what are the questions you have given here? We'll see. Give a good title to the poem. Give a good title to the poem. What title means what name can we give to the poem? Yes, on a birthday. On a birthday. Okay, we can give the title to this on a birthday. Next, pick out 3 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Okay, what we have to do? We have to pick out 3 rhyming words from the. So we have to pick out 3 pairs of rhyming words. What can be the rhyming words here? So in the first line you see that share, second line care. Share, care. 1 pair of rhyming word. Share, care. Okay. Next, day, way. Day, way. Next, joy, enjoy. Joy, enjoy. Next, brought, taught. Only they asked as 3 pairs of rhyming words. But we see how many possible here. Share, care, day, way, joy, enjoy, brought, taught, next, share, care already we got. Okay. So these are the rhyming words that we can make from this poem. So, okay. Next one, writing skills. Okay, the what is that? Passage is for reading skills. So here you are given incomplete sentences. We have to complete this incomplete sentence by adding the suitable word. With this we can improve our writing skills. So complete the following sentences by adding suitable words. Today is a very special day. If you go to the lesson, whose birthday we was celebrating in that lesson? Arun's birthday, is it? So today is very special day for Arun. To whom? Arun. Then Arun's mother wishes him happy birthday. Happy birthday. Arun's mother wishes him happy birthday. Next, Arun's father lifts him to where? Arun's father lifts him onto his shoulders. Yes, him onto shoulders. Okay. Lifts him onto shoulders. Arun is happy to get dash from his parents. So his father brought him a new pair of what? New pair of skates. Yes. So Arun is happy to get skates. Yes, Arun was happy to get skates. Balloons are decorated on the ceiling and walls. Okay. Now you can see that today is a very special day for Arun. Arun's mother wishes him happy birthday. Arun's father lifts him onto shoulders. Arun is happy to get skates from his parents. Balloons are decorated on the ceilings and walls. Okay, children. So now look at the picture and write 2 sentences about each. So here you have given pictures. We have to write 2 sentences by using these pictures. Use the words in the box and add your own words. Okay? We have to use these words which are given in the box. So by using this, with the help of these words and these pictures, we have to write 2 sentences. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. I will eat red apple. How is the apple? Red. Okay. I will eat red apple. We have a new set of What do we call this set of pant, trousers and shirt? Yes, we call it as dress. We have a new set of dress. They are very colorful. They are very colorful. My teacher is tall. My teacher is tall. She is wearing what color saree? She is wearing a red saree. Okay. This is an apple. I will eat red apple. We have a new set of dress. They are very colorful. My teacher is tall. She is wearing red saree. Okay, children. Now you have given a project work. What you have to do? You have to make a birthday hat. Birthday hat. You see that during the birthday. So the birthday celebrant, he provides hats to the children who come for that birthday party. So you have to make a hat with the help of your parents. Okay, children. Next, what is hat? So what the value can you learn from this lesson? What value can we learn from this lesson? Okay, what value can we learn from this lesson? Just you think about it. Yes, children. So we can learn a value from this lesson is that make every day as a special day like your birthday. Make every day a special day like your birthday for yourself and your friends. Okay, you have to make every day as a special day like your birthday for your friends and for yourself. Okay, children? So this is the value we can learn from this lesson. Okay? We will meet in the next class. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.